you'll know that today we're gonna be making sourdough bread in the shape of a turkey. This is comedy. Welcome to my comedy food channel. Y'all, it kind of looks like a turkey, but not really. You know, it's not terrible. What is up, everybody? It is me again, and if you are coming from my last cooking episode, you'll know that today we're gonna be making sourdough bread in the shape of a turkey. I'm gonna just be making my normal like sourdough recipe loaf, and then in the morning when I get ready to bake it, I'm gonna form it into a turkey. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. So, yeah, let's just get into it, and I'll show you guys the basics of how I do my sourdough loaf. If you want something more detailed, I do have other videos back in my history that have like a lot more detail. Anyway, yeah, I'll just briefly show how I make my sourdough loaf, and then we'll go from there. All right, in this bowl, I have 100 grams of whole wheat flour. I have 250 grams of all-purpose flour, and then I'm supposed to add 125 grams of bread flour, but I didn't have any, so I just added 125 extra grams of all-purpose flour. And to this, I'm going to add 325 grams of water. And I'm going to stir it up, and then I'm going to let it sit here for 30 minutes. And then I'm going to add my sourdough starter. So I will be back when I add my starter and my salt in 30 minutes. All right, it has been 30 minutes, and now I'm going to add 100 grams of my active starter. I fed this morning, and it's currently 1:45, so that's what it looks like, all fed and amazing like. So we're gonna add 100 grams. I'm like always really heavy-handed, so it's definitely, yeah, that's like 110 grams, whatever, it's fine. And I'm gonna wet my hand, and I'm gonna mix it in. I don't know about you all, but I started decorating for Christmas last night. Yeah, I haven't put up our Christmas tree yet, but let me see if I can. There's some Christmas around my kitchen. Oh, so blurry. Yeah, there's some kitchen around my Christmas. There's some Christmas around my kitchen. I mostly did it because Thanksgiving is next week, and our nephew is coming, and he enjoys Christmas and things decorated for Christmas, so I thought I would have our house kind of decorated for him. Alright, I'm going to mix this, and then I'm going to add 10 grams of salt and mix that in, and then let this sit covered for 30 minutes, and then we'll be right back. Alright, it's been 30 minutes, and I'm going to do my first set of stretch and folds, which literally is just this. It's stretching and folding the dough. And I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this 3 times, once every 15 minutes for for 3 stretch and folds. And then I'm gonna do it once every 30 minutes for 3 more like stretch and folds. So like 6 stretch and folds total will be done. The first 3 15 minutes apart, and the second 3 30 minutes apart. So we'll be back. All right, so this is my last stretch and fold, and then I'm going to cover this and let it sit for probably about 2 hours, probably on top of my oven because it's nice and warm there. It's kind of chilly in our house right now, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And then I will show you all my dough after 2 hours. All right, see you in a little bit. Okay, I actually have this like in my oven on warm proof or whatever for like 4 hours because it's cold in our kitchen. And I'm gonna shape it. Maybe. You know? One day. We'll get it done. I'm gonna leave this on my counter like this for 20 minutes and then I'll be back. It's been like 20-25 minutes. The top of this isn't sticky anymore, so I'm going to flip it over, kind of stretch it and shape it. Alright, it's kind of ugly, whatever, it's gonna turn into a turkey anyways. So I'm gonna cover it, put it in a plastic bag, and put it in my fridge overnight, and then we're gonna come back tomorrow and we're gonna bake it. Alright, we are back the next day, and I'm just here to tell you guys that this is gonna be the worst loaf of sourdough I have ever made. I'm pretty sure it's because I didn't let my starter, like, it wasn't active enough. So this might turn out flat turkey, like Flat Stanley. But, it's real life, right, guys? Like, I'm not perfect. You all are not perfect. We all mess up. So, this is probably going to be the worst loaf of sourdough I've ever made. But, you know what? Like I said, it's real life. So here we go. Maybe. Alright, I watched videos on how to do this. So we're gonna see if we can shape it. It's so small. I'm so bothered. We're gonna see if we can shape this bad boy into a turkey. Okay. Alright. I'm kind of maybe like there, like there. We're just gonna go for it. Also, I'm just gonna use this loaf pretty much as stuffing for next week, so that's fine. I'm gonna make a video on how to make stuffing out of sourdough. So, oh my goodness, we are failing so hard. Let me get a better knife. Hold on. All right. Maybe. Sure. And then we do this. I'm gonna pinch it together like that. Sure. Like that. Y'all know failure is okay, because I don't think this is going to turn out well. As I cut my finger off trying to do this. I apologize, it's really windy outside, by the way. Okay, and then she is not even. Y'all know I didn't do well in art class, so kind of pinch it together like that. Oh my gosh, I'm laughing because this is comical. Okay, also, what do we have here? A little string. Make it look like it's actually a turkey. This is comedy. Welcome to my comedy food channel. And then I think we can kind of make an indentation up here like that, so it looks like there was a neck there. And then I'm gonna score it like this. Okay, I mean, you know, she doesn't look too bad. Not too bad. All right, hold. Bye. Alright, y'all. Calvin just dropped his toy. Ooh, it's been about 18 minutes. And we're going to take the lid off this bad boy. See how it looks. A little nervous. I mean, it doesn't really look like a turkey. It doesn't really look like a turkey, but it kind of does. Maybe I can show you. Kind of. Alright. Well, I'm going to lower the temperature to 425 and cook it for another like 15 minutes. Y'all, it kind of looks like a turkey, but not really. You know? It's not terrible. I'm gonna let it cool, and then we'll see how it is. Jonathan couldn't wait. He's cutting the neck off.
No, I'm not. I'm cutting the butt off.
No, that's the top. This is the butt.
Oh. I'm cutting the neck off.
That's what I just said.
I know. I wanted a snack, and this smells delicious.
It's like piping hot.
Mm-hmm. The best way to eat bread.
You're gonna put butter on it?
Probably.
Okay. You're gonna cut me a slice?
Probably not.
Rude.
No, okay, it's like
Yeah, it's like
hot. It's like steaming.
super hot.
It's like steaming. Tastes like bread.
No, it's supposed to taste like a turkey.
Doesn't taste like turkey.
I'm joking. Okay.
No.
You want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye. Okay. You know, my next video might be lasagna. It might be stuffing from this. I'm not sure. We'll find out. Anyway. I don't know if you can see my face there. Anyway. Okay. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.